Let's crack it open. I can't wait. Ooh, let's see who we got.
Puppy Power Toys! Hi, Puppy Pals! Today I am so excited because we have the Hatchimals Mermal Magic Season 5 Collectibles! Aren't they just so pretty? I love them! The eggs are just so gorgeous with their sparkly colors. Now let's take a closer look at some of our seashell eggs. Oh my gosh, look how cool! They even have a magic water reveal. They're gonna change colors! How exciting! And it looks like they change colors in warm water. Look at these little cuties down here. Oh, I'm so excited! Look at this little baby. She's so cute. All right, I can't wait anymore. We have to open these. Oh, come out, come out, come out. Oh, it looks like this is our little checklist we got here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what characters we could get. Oh, look at these. These are all the mermals, and they're going to come in these types of little seashell eggs. Look how adorable. And we have our underwater friends. Look at the little starfish. It's so cute. And our mermal twins. Oh my gosh, we could get twins. How cool. Oh my gosh, and the pink one is the limited edition. And we have a pink one today to open up. Oh, that's so exciting. And those are all the limited edition ones we could get. How cool is that? And the Racing River and the Mischief Marsh. Those are the gold ones. We have a gold one too. So it looks like all the different colored ones are going to be the special editions. How cool is that? Oh, and they even come in a 6-pack. And these are the 1 dozens. All right, now let's go ahead and open ours up. Oh my gosh, look how pretty they are. Look at the bright pink one. So beautiful with all the glitter. They're just so pretty. All right, let's pop these out, but we got to be really careful. We don't want to break our little seashells.
Oh, come out, come out, come out, come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, they think this one is stuck. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, it's okay. We got him. I think our little guy is stuck in here. Come out. Oh, we got him out. Yay.
Look how cute. It's a little zebra, and he's even got a little mohawk. How adorable is that? And his little purple little mermaid tail. Oh my gosh. And look at his wings. So adorable. This is so exciting, you guys. I love mermaids. Have you guys seen these in any stores yet? Let me know in the comments below. All right, this is our first egg. Look how shiny, and it's so glittery. All right, these tarts should change color. Let's try to warm it up so we can crack open our egg.
A little bit of color change, not much though. We gotta warm up our little egg so we can hatch it. Do I see any color change yet? Do you guys see anything yet? A little bit.
Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, who do we get? Who do we get? Come on, come out. Oh, I see some pretty colors. Who is this? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that pretty little mermaid tail. And she's purple and pink. And she's even got pink wings. That's so adorable. Are we gonna see what your little name is? Oh, her name is Merchie. And she's a rare because of her pink wings. These are the wing colors right down here. You can take a look at those. All right, on to our next one. my gosh. This is so adorable. Do you guys love this? Because I am so loving this. So cute. Hi, guys. We got Unique. All right, let's put you down with your other little friends. I'm loving this season so far. What do you guys think? Oh, we're already cracking this one. Come out. Oh, so cool. Oh my gosh. We got twins. I'm not kidding. Look at this. We got twins. Look at our little twins. And they kind of have like a little bobblehead. Oh my goodness. This is so adorable. I cannot believe we got twins. So cute. And it looks like we got Chippity. Look at these little twins. And all the twins are going to be rares. How cool. Let's take another look at them. Look at their little wings. So sparkly. And their little mermaid tails. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love them. So adorable. Let's set these cute little babies down over here. All right, it's on to our pink egg. Our first pink egg. I'm so excited. This is from the Blissful Bay, and these are the limited edition. I'm so excited we were able to find these. Oh, look at the heart. It's like disappearing into the pink seashell egg. How cool. All right, let's crack it open. I can't wait. Oh, let's see who we got. Oh my gosh. Look at this. They're in a little scuba gear. How cute is that? Look at the little fins they have on. And their pretty little wings and the little tail. Oh, so cute. Does it have its tongue sticking out? That's so silly. It looks like we got Blissful Kiwi. How cool. I love the little scuba helmet. It is so adorable. So awesome. He's just ready to go diving into the water. Maybe to find some more eggs. How cool. I hope he brings us some. All right, let's set him down over here. Uh-oh. Oh, he has trouble standing up. There we go. It's because he's used to swimming. On to our second package. I'm totally gonna have to get some more of these because they are just my favorite so far. The detail in these Hatchimals is so awesome. All right, let's open these up. I cannot wait any longer.
We have a gold egg this time. Oh, come out, come out, come out. I don't want to break it. Oh, there we go. Oh, and another purple one.
Let's see who our little character is. Oh my gosh. So adorable. Look at her. Look at the mermaid tail. Just so much detail in these Hatchimals. I'm so excited for these. It looks like her little name is Water, and she's just a common, but super, super cute. All right, let's set her down right there. Let's start opening up one of our little seashell eggs. Rub, 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 rub. Let's warm you up, little eggie. Oh, there we go. Who did we get? Who did we get? Oh my gosh, I think this one is a little bear. Look how cute. It's a little bear mermaid with pink wings. It looks like this is actually a little mouse, not a bear. And this is Mousewif. How cute. All right, let's put a little mousey right over here. Let's open up the gold one. Look how cool that looks, you guys. I love it.
All right, rub, rub, rub. Let's warm it up. Oh, look at it changing. Almost looks kind of orange. Oh, it's turning
is a little baby that was on the back of the package. I love her. She's so cute. Look at her little tail. All right, and our little pony today, she's from the Mischief Marsh, the special editions. How cool. It's because she came in one of those gold little eggs. That is so super cool. I love her, and her name is going to be Mischief Ponette. Let's go set our little pony over here. She's just a baby and it's so cute. On to the next one. Oh, there we go. Let's open you up. Get you out of there. Oh, how adorable. Look how cute. It looks like a little hammerhead shark, and it's this dark purple with pink, and he's even got dark purple wings. So adorable. Hi guys! It looks like our little shark is an ultra rare! Our first ultra rare today! How exciting! And this is Hammerheart! How adorable! Hi Hammerheart! Let's put you right over here. Now don't bite anybody, Hammerheart. On to our very last egg. It's a purple one. And I'm so sad because I don't want this to end. They're just so adorable. We're going to have to get more. Oh, we already cracked it. Let's see who we get. Who is this? Is this a little kitty? Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Look at the little ducky raft she is in. I love that. She must need her raft because she can't swim too well. Or it's just because it's so fun. Our little kitty is from Special Editions Racing River. And this is Racing Kitty Can. How awesome. She's a common and she is just so cute. She's like such a pretty pink color. Okay guys, now we're gonna see if these change colors because they're supposed to change colors this time. So let's see. We're gonna put them in some warm water. Are you ready to go swimming? Yeah. Look at that. It went to yellow. How pretty. Let's see it one more time. All right, here's the dark green tail. And then we put it in the water. Look at that. Her little mermaid tail turns to yellow. So cool. Let's see if one of our little twins changes colors. So it's a dark blue now. Oh, it does! It changed to a light blue. Let's see if this twin does. I think it will, because they're twins, duh. Oh, there we go. Look at that pretty light blue. So cute. See if our little hammerhead shark likes to change colors. I bet he likes to go swimming. Oh, he doesn't change colors, but he likes to swim. We'll just leave him in there. What about our little monkey? Do you think he'll change colors? I think so. And it does! Oh, look at the little fins. They turn pink. See? Purple. And a pretty pink. How cool. See if our little kitty cat, do you want to go swimming? I think she does because she is so ready with her little raft. It's so cute. Oh, look at that. It changed to a light pink. Let's see that again. It's a little hard to see. All right. See her yellow. And let's put her in. Look at the pink. It's so cute. The little ducky's head, though, it stayed yellow. And this is just a really light little pink. Do you think this one will change colors? I don't know. It's pretty dark. Let's see. In you go. Look at that. She's like almost all pink. That is so pretty, and there's even some green still on it, and it's coming back, and it looks so cool. It merely makes the details stand out. I love that. Look at how pretty. So cool. Look, it's time for our little unicorn to go for a swim. You think she likes to swim or likes to fly better? Did she change colors? Oh my gosh, she did. Look at her tail. It definitely changed colors. It's like a light purple now. See, this is the dark blue that she had before. And look at that pretty light purple. How cool is that? So cute. I love that these change colors. It's so awesome. So we have a dark green tail going into the warm water, ready to go for a swim. Look at that. Another light pink. This is almost kind of metallic-y. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's changing kind of fast. I think we need to leave it in the water a little bit longer. Look how pretty she is. This is our little mousey. Look how pretty it is. It's kind of metallic-y. I love that. Oh, look at our little baby. You think she knows how to swim? I hope so. We'll help her. Oh, I don't think she changes color. Nope, she doesn't change colors. But that's okay because she's really, really cute. Alright, last one. Our little zebra. Ready for a swim. And they change colors. Look at that. Look at her purple before. So cute. It's like a dark purple. Then we put her in. And look, her mermaid fin is the color of her hair now. Her little mohawk. Look at that. They're both blue. So cute. It's a darker blue. And then we have the really light blue mohawk. That is just adorable. Hi, guys. Okay, puppy pals, let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below because I don't know which one was my favorite. I really just love them all. But I'm really, really excited that we got the twins today. That was so cool. And the unicorn. I just love the unicorn. Make sure if you like this video, you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time, puppy pals. Bye.